Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you all are in a good condition and in a good mood, so you can enjoy my presentation. Today, I would like to present about my final project. The title is Motion Graphic about Logistics in Manufacturing. This project collaborate with Multimedia and Network Study Program. The team is Ilham Hidayat and Wawan Akbar. So we go to the next slide, please. Uh, the background. In the terms of logistics and manufacturing, not many companies use motion graphic in the terms of education. For that, many students still don't know about the logistics and manufacturing because the information media uh, is less interested to read or to see. The motion graphics are a piece of time-based visual media that combine a film graphic and graphic design. In the use of education media, it is not only to help the audience in the process of understanding, but it's more aimed at making it easier for the audience to better understand the material being presented. The motion graphic were chosen as a visual communication medium due to the physical of the audience, who are generally more interested in image and story narrative. So later, they will more easily capture the information that will conveyed with an image that is easily understood by the audience. Okay, the process of making product. There are several production process in motion graphic, including the first is the initial concept. The initial concept is what the video will tell you and identifies idea that the viewer will watch and illustrates helpful point. Then the second is script writing. That starting from a raw description of the story narrative, which will be translated into visual object and movement, voiceover, sound, effect, and music. In the video, the time is very limited. The shorter are the better. The better to it is better to able to convey a message within 30 seconds, while 60 seconds still acceptable, and 90 seconds is the maximum recommendation in delivering message. Then the third is the storyboard. This is the first step to creating visual and sounds which are based on correspondence from the script. An overview of all the necessary moments in the script known as frame style frame. Then the fourth is sounds, voiceover music and sounds effect. Voiceovers involves a casting process much like selecting actors for a TV show, which will be auditioned by recording voices as they read the script. Then the last is the animation. This animation process where all the parts begin to combine together. The animator will try to animate one or two drawing styles in a defined visual style. Then the result. In making motion graphic about logistic manufacturing using Adobe Illustrator, Adobe After Effects, and Adobe Premiere software. In this case, Adobe Illustrator is used to create the overall layout and design element. In the process of designing motion graphic in Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere software, the first thing to do is to arrange all of the object first as desired. After that, making the change of the movement of the object, such as rotation, transformation, fast or slow movement of the object, and so on. If all animation movements on the project have been carried out, it's necessary to provide sound support. Nah, this sound support is useful for giving a dramatic effect or something that can support related to the motion graphic. Then the next step is the rendering, which is the where all the object have gone through the design process at the final stage and the motion graphic are ready to be produced in the form of video output. In making the motion graphic, the video format is MP4 because the MP4 is the video quality standard. Okay, next slide. I will show you the motion graphic of manufacturing in logistics. For information, the video of motion graphic is already finished. The duration of the video is 5 minutes. 5 minutes, but I'm sorry because I just can show you 1 minute of the video clip of motion graphic. So let's start the video.
Untuk sebagian kalangan logistik adalah hal yang awam bagi mereka. Lalu, apa sih dimaksud logistik tersebut dan bagaimana prosesnya? Logistik adalah manajemen aliran perpindahan barang dari suatu titik asal yang berakhir pada titik konsumsi untuk memenuhi permintaan tertentu. Contohnya, tertuju kepada konsumen ataupun perusahaan-perusahaan. Adapun stakeholder yang terlibat terdiri dari supplier, manufaktur, retail, dan customer dengan physical flow ke customer, case dari customer ke supplier, serta informasi flow secara dua arah. Logistik didefinisikan sebagai seni dan ilmu untuk memperoleh, produksi, dan mendistribusikan bahan produk di tempat yang tepat dan jumlah yang tepat.
The recommendation. The first is to more easily understand how the logistic process in manufacturing, motion graphic are the right thing to easily understand the logistic, because motion graphic have the advantage of being able to present visual information in a narrative manner, accompanied by narration and supporting music. With the help of the visual and motion graphic, information about logistics in manufacturing that will be conveyed will be more easily visualized. Narrative on motion graphic will be helpful in the terms of conveying information and with a light but clear and direct nature. Then the second reason is the concept of motion graphic logistics in manufacturing use a cheerful, lively, and enthusiastic design, so the audience is comfortable and more interested in what is being conveyed. In addition, the color display in the motion graphic in manufacturing uses animation that use many colors, so it gives a colorful impression. Then the last is the motion graphic about logistic and manufacturing are widely distributed using online media, especially social media that are popular today, such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and many other. So the information content be conveyed can be directly received by the target audience and easier to access. Then the conclusion is motion graphics are the piece of time-based visual media that combine film and graphic design. Motion graphics are good as education media to better understand the logistics in manufacturing. Not only help the audience in the process of understanding, but more aim at making it easier for the audience to better understand the material presented related to the logistic and manufacturing. I think that's enough for my presentation. Thank you very much. And if you have any question, you can set in the column, komentar. Okay. Thank you.